New product update for the Coachmen Mirada Class A RV. So the armrest up here on the driver and passenger side had these cute little trays, which can, maybe hold a pen, but they're certainly not going to hold a cell phone or anything like that. So here's the new product for you. We have 3D printed deep trays that go right into this cavernous volume that's inside of there. I mean, there's a lot of space in there. You can definitely hide stuff in there if you needed to. But here is the 3D printed deep tray, solid PLA. This is Liz's favorite. It's clear, it looks really good. And now, of course, you can put in your cell phone, you can put in your glasses, you can put in your pack of gum, put in your pen. You got lots of room for stuff versus the little tray. So we're gonna 3D print a couple different colors. I'll show you the black. Black looks good, black and tan, great beverage, and looks good too. Here's the white. That looks nice too. And here's the kind of tan natural wood color. It might work for your RV, but those are kind of clashing for this one. So we're gonna go back to the clear. But before I let you guys go, check this out. We've got a brand new product. Wait for the video. You know what this needs? This needs a cup holder. So we are going to install a cup holder right here, but of course it's at an angle, so we're gonna have to put a collar underneath it. So stay tuned for that video. That's coming next. So until next time, God bless. See ya.